One of my friends who drives the Tesla Model Y in the United States has asked me to help him order a Tesla to CCS1 adapter from Tesla Korea's website. This is because this particular adapter is not yet available in the United States, but there have been reports that it will work with DC fast chargers installed there. So he wanted to have one, but in order to order one from Tesla Korea, he can use his own credit card, but the delivery address has to be somewhere within South Korea. So what he did was to deliver this package to my address. I will check it out to see that everything is in order and then send this package to the United States so that he can actually use it. So I'm going to see that everything is, well, just as ordered. So I'm going to make sure and I'm going to open it. All right. Okay. So, yeah, there you go. Nice little box here. It says CCS 콤보1 adapter right there. Over here as well. And it's nicely packaged. Now I'm going to see that this plastic wrapping is taken off. Now I'm going to be trying to be very careful because I need to repackage it just after checking everything is out. I think I'm almost done with this side. Okay, there you go. Okay, so that part is done. Let me carefully remove that. There you go. The CCS 콤보1 adapter. Let's see. Looks like I need to open it from this side, and it has a seal. So in order to actually open it, I need to break that or try to do something creative so that it remains as intact as much as possible. Let me try something. I think it's almost working. I'll try to be very careful. Well, it actually worked. This particular flap could be taken off like that without actually breaking the seal. Okay, wow, look at that. Right there. That's the adapter. Okay, let me carefully take it out. And, oh, there you go. Yeah. So, this is the adapter he was looking for. You can see that this side connects to the Tesla side, and this side connects to the DC combo system CCS1 side right there. So basically what you would do is to plug the cable from the charger, this side, and then you would plug this side to the car. And then it would get charged at up to, according to the ratings, it would actually support up to around 150 kilowatt because it's rated for 500 volts and 300 amperes. Okay, so, and it's made in Taiwan. Interesting. So this particular unit would be traveling from Taiwan to South Korea, then finally to the United States, to the hands of my friend. Anyways, it looks pretty good. Okay, let me see if anything else is in there. Okay. That looks really nice. Okay. Okay, this one is removable. Okay. Something in there? Nope. Just the moisture-free desiccant. That's that. And there's nothing else in the package. So basically, it's just the adapter itself. Okay. Looks good. So what I will do is to clean it up a little bit, put it back, and package it back, and send it right over, probably tomorrow or something. All right, hold on a sec. Okay, I have a towel, so let me just undo my fingerprints. I guess that would do it. Put it on that, like so. And then probably try to put it over it. Probably better to do it this way, I guess. Okay. Good. And hold it this side. All right. Perfect. So this goes back into the box, like so. There you go. Put it back, package it, put the vanilla back on, and off to the final destination. All right, I think my friend will probably like it a lot, and I hope everyone who actually saw this likes it as well, and hopefully it will work flawlessly in the DC fast chargers there's available nearby wherever he's living in. So it's something that I hope he won't be disappointed in. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.